Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to Sid's Tips. And as you can see here, I've got the AirDoctor. However, this is the new AirDoctor AD3500i. What does that I stand for? Wi-Fi and internet. That's right. So AirDoctor now has the ability to use an app with their Air machines. And I wanted to share a little bit about that with you today. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the app, and you can easily download it whether you've got the Android phone as I do or Apple iPhone. And so here you go. Now when you go into the app, it's very easy to set up, and you'll go through the process. And once you have it all set up, as you can see, you've got a lot of good information here. One, you can see what the quality air is outside of your home. So it knows based on your zip code. Now you can see for indoor, you can add a device, and so it will take you through the steps. So you can, if you got more than one AirDoctor that has the Wi-Fi option, then you'll be able to control them all. So here I'm going to go into my AirDoctor 9680, so I've connected that, even though it's the 3500i. And what it's going to give me is some good information here. Now it's going to give me the option here in this top section, the chart. I can either pull up daily or weekly, and it will show me the air quality in my home. So you can see the peak daily pollution, and then I could go back and I could see last week's. And so the air quality here in my home has not been too bad, and then you can keep going back. So I've only been using this a short period of time, so you get an idea there. Now you also can control the unit as far as with power. You can do fan speed. So if I want to, right now I have it set for 1, I could set it for 4, and now the machine has just adjusted where you can control it all by the app. And what's great as well is you can also control this anywhere that you have internet access, because once you set this up to Wi-Fi, you could be able to log into the app and see what's going on. Now you can also put it into auto fan mode. So what I'm going to do is put that on, and you can see now that is on. You can turn that off. If you want to dim everything, you could dim everything. And so you can see it just takes a moment there. You could turn that off, so then you get the lights back on. You can also set the timer, and you can also control the ion and then central lock. And what that does is prevents any of the buttons from being pressed. So if I turn that on now and it's on, I cannot control anything from the display. So this could be something that could be good as a child-proof option as well. And now I'm gonna turn that off, and you can do that here on the display too, but it's nice. And then you also have the ability to see how your filters are, and you could reset that. And then you also then can come into the settings, and you get the model number. You could share the device. I'm going to go ahead and just close this for now. So you could rename it if you want. So we got that there. You could share the device. So that's interesting that you could do that. You can, I'm not sure why somebody would, but you can do that. And then you could remove the device. So that is the app, and this is available on the different AirDoctor machines. Again, this is the AD3500i. The 3000 has been their best-selling unit, what I believe, and right now is a great time to take advantage of the sale. And I'll put a link where you get more information and you can order them. And if you have any questions, let me know. But that is the app, and I think it's well done. The other thing I'll show you on the bottom there is you have additional buttons. You have the shopping cart where you can go into the store and buy replacement filters. You can come in here also and create a boost, And it says here, unit will run on boost speed for 1 hour, then the unit will run on auto or the speed it was on before running a boost. So you could set that, and that's kind of cool as well. And then here you've got other information that you can get as well. So you could see your different rooms. So right now I just have this unit in my office, but if you have other ones and you want to add the Wi-Fi, you can do that. Now when you get this unit, if you don't want to have it any longer connected to Wi-Fi, you can option not to do that. So, but you'll have the option to decide which one you want when you do order it. So there you go. If you have any questions, let me know. It's a nice app, and it's only going to get better, I'm sure, as they work on the app. And there you go. Check it out today. Save money on the AirDoctor air purification machines. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.